Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be unboxing the Gobstone Alley flying parcel. I'm excited for this for two reasons. One, this is my first Gobstone Alley box and I've heard very good things about them. And I've seen unboxings by like Cherry Wallace and other YouTubers and I love them. So I'm so excited to open this box. Two, I have an exclusive item in this box. This is a July box. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So I really love this logo on the front, where it says flying parcel and it has a couple of wands, elder wands, side by side there. Also, they have the Gobstone Alley logo on this side, which is also very, very cool. The wand with the starburst around it kind of makes me think of my spell book, so that's really cool. Sorry for going on and on about the box, but check this out. We've got the flying parcel like mail stamps and stuff on there. The owl post, that's really, really cool. So anyways, yeah, let's open this up. There it goes. It might just open up. Yep, it just opens up. No scissors or knife needed. So I'm not gonna look, but I'll let you guys see a little bit of this. Okay, so we do have some tissue paper here. This is just green tissue paper, nothing exciting. We'll just set that aside. And the first thing I think is a t-shirt. So let's see what that t-shirt looks like. And it is a Ron Weasley quote. I don't like to wear very colorful things. I don't know, that's just not my style, but I do like the shirt. Not sure if I'm gonna wear it. Okay, the next thing, let's see. I guess we'll go for this. And I'm not sure what this is. I think they come with candles in them, so I'm guessing this is a candle. Okay, so it's not a candle, it's actually owl feathers. That's neat. So here's what it looks like. It's very nice. Pretty cool looking potion jar type thing, and then it has the sticker here that says Eagle Owl Feathers, number 28, and it's just full of these soft looking feathers. Let's see what else we have. Okay, this one I think is the candle. So it's packaged pretty much the same as the owl feathers were. This has got, if this isn't the candle, I would be very surprised. Yes, so this is the candle, and it's from Incendio Candles, and it says Fox the Phoenix on it. And I do like the design here on the lid. Very good design. It's 100% vegan, so that's good. And handmade. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, you know, I usually don't like scented candles. I don't know what it is, but something about them just doesn't really appeal to me. But this actually smells pretty good. I'll probably use this. It's a really cool candle. Okay, so next, let's see. I don't know how many items are in this box, actually, now that I think about it. So far, I've gotten 3. I'm guessing there's probably 5, so let's see. Now, I know what this one is. I think I can pretty safely say I know what this one is, but I was spoiled on one item, and it was the wand. So I know what this wand looks like, and I'm still very excited for it. It has this really cool Ministry of Magic seal on here, so let's just take that off of there. We'll untie this and get this thing open. Yes, and there we have it, the Elder Wand. Oddly enough, I made an Elder Wand not too long ago, and it was a giveaway on my Patreon. It was my first Patreon giveaway, actually. Yeah, but this is very good quality. Yeah, I mean, what else can I say about it? It's the Elder Wand, and I love it. And now I don't have to make another one for myself because I have this one, so that's great. Okay, I'm guessing there's probably only one item left. Oh, no, I'm wrong. There's got to be more than one because I know one of the items in here is mine, and this one I have in my hand right here is not my item, definitely. Cool, it's like a piggy bank saving for the trolley. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. Platform 9 3/4, saving for the trolley. Okay, so let's get a good look at this one. It's funny that we got a piggy bank in this one and in the Loot Crate box. All right, and I'm guessing there's only one more item left. I don't know though. I've never, like I said, I've never gotten a Gobstone Alley box, so I really have no idea how many items are in here. Okay, get that stuff out of the way. Nope, there's more. There's a lot of stuff in these. So this is tea. I don't drink a lot of tea, but I do like it, so I'll probably have some of this. Cozy Elves Magical Drinks and Sweets. And this is Ginny Weasley's orange tea. Let's see how it smells. I'm sure it tastes a lot like how it smells, so. Whoa, that is very orange. Wow, I bet that would be a very tasty tea. I'm gonna have to try that. Okay, there is another thing in here. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this. I did not expect this much stuff. Percy Weasley's Nerdy Bath. Prefect's Bathroom. Percy Weasley's Relaxing Bath Salt. And that does smell really good. I'll have to give this a try too. So let's see what else we have in here. There's a lot more. Yeah, there's a lot more in here than I expected. Okay, so we have a chocolate frog card for Grindelwald, which is really neat because I've never seen anything like this with Grindelwald on it. Next, we have a pin that says Free the House Elves. This is officially licensed Harry Potter pin. So as you can see right here, it just says Free the House Elves on it. I like this a lot. Everything in here I've really liked a lot, actually. Next, we have a small brown envelope. I'm not sure what's going to be in here. So let's just take a look and see. Looks like we have some Harry Potter trading cards, and they're all in protective sleeves. So I've never done the Harry Potter trading card game. I have played Magic the Gathering, but I'm sure this is a lot different than that. But yeah, I'll definitely take a look at these a little bit later. Okay, and next we have a Dobby Magnet. It says, Dobby has no master, Dobby is a free elf. Very, very good quality stuff here. And we have, it looks like 2 more things in here. A Ministry of Magic envelope. Some kind of letter here. Okay, so this is a OWL certification from the Department of Magical Education. And I do like this a lot. I want to do something similar to this in one of my printables videos. All right, and now we're down to one last item, and that is the one that I designed for this box. And it is the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes brochure. So as you can see, it has dung bombs, it has unlucky dip, and it has the skiving snack box right here. And then on the other side, we have this really cool pattern here. I've used this once before in one of my printables videos. And then we have the manager's specials right here. And this is printed really nice. I don't know what kind of paper this is, but it's definitely like a cardstock, and the outside has a really nice smooth finish on it. It feels like almost, I want to say like rubbery, but it's, yeah, just great, great quality. And this is an exclusive for the Gobstone Alley box. However, it is a timed exclusive, so I will be doing, releasing the templates for this in the near future. Gobstone Alley, where have you been all my life? I want to continue to get these boxes, and I intend to do so. I think I definitely missed out on the August box, so I won't be getting one this month, but I'm definitely getting a September box, and I have an exclusive item in that box as well. So if you want to get your hands on that exclusive item, or you just want to get a whole bunch of awesome Harry Potter stuff, you can use the discount code Muggle Magic, all caps, no space, and you'll get 10% off your Gobstone Alley box. Also, for anyone who missed out on the July box and did not get their hands on any of this cool stuff, including my Weasley Wizard Wheezes brochure, that's okay. They sent me extras. I have a lot of extras, and I will be giving these away on my channel. Starting with this video, I am going to do a weekly giveaway for one of these Weasley's Wizard Wheezes brochures. So if you're interested in that giveaway, you can enter by clicking the link in the description box below. You'll also find other giveaways down there, like my 26K giveaway, which is Luna Lovegood themed, and my 30K giveaway, which is for a Muggle Magic mystery box. Not too different from the box you saw in this video. It's gonna have 7 mystery items in it, as well as 2 brand new DIYs that I'm not gonna release the templates or video for until after the box is won. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.